So this last introductory video is talking about how I'm going to grade your research notes, so you know exactly what you need to do to get that grade that you want. So on the right side of your assignment sheet, these top two sections tell what I'll be looking for. So this is about how to collect, organize research notes. This is what we're working on while we're actually taking our research notes. So I'm going to take you to the rubric. It looks like this. So we've got this big section for 5-6. These are the things you need to do. It's directly from that assignment sheet. If you mostly follow these, you're in the 5-6 range. If you pretty consistently, like always follow this proper format and technique, then you'll be in the 7-8, sometimes and rarely. So I'm going to zoom in on the expectations for the research. All right, so this is what we're looking for as we collect our notes. Let me zoom in a little more. Okay, so first let's look at the note-taking format. Just like I showed you how to do it, you just got to follow that format. I'm going to look, are your sources listed at the top of the page? I'm going to look to see if the formatting of your sources is correct. And what I mean by that is you didn't just write the name of the book at the top of the page, although that would get you some credit. But for Aztec News, you actually wrote this exactly as it is at the top of the page, a proper works cited entry. And then third thing, do you have a new page for each source? So you finish with one book or website, you flip to the next page to start another. And then also I want to see that you have a citation for a print source, meaning a book, and a website. That, if you are a person who I did not have any print sources available for, then that does not apply to you. In addition to that, I'm going to be looking at the notes you actually took. We're going to continue our note-taking practice. We want to use bullet points rather than writing in long paragraphs, right? Each detail we collect is separate, is a different bullet point. I'd like you to work on writing in notes, not in complete sentences. It's just quicker. It's a good skill to learn. And the information is recorded in your own words. So again, to avoid plagiarism, we want to work on not copying word for word. You can include some phrases, that's fine, but you don't want to copy word for word from the website or from the book. All right, so that's what I'll be looking at as I grade your research notes. Do a good job following that format, and you'll do great on these.